Hello everyone. First we're gonna take a low ponytail, making a space and folding it once, then adding a rubber band at the end and then making a space in the pony again and folding it into inward direction and then adding this purple clip. Next we're going to take some hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, then making a low ponytail, further folding it out and just securing it with this black clip. Next, we're going to take a low pony and then adding this clip underneath it, and then we're going to take the remaining part and then folding it out into a bun by adding this black clip, and it is ready. Next, we're going to take a high ponytail and then dividing it into two, further twisting it out and then rolling it into this bun. Now you can secure it with anything you want. Here we have added this beautiful white clip. Next, we're going to grab all of the hair and then twisting them, further folding them out into a round shape bun, adding this purple clip to enhance its look. Next, we're going to take hair from both the sides, adding a rubber band, making a low ponytail by using two rubber bands, further folding them out into a bun by adding this purple clip and some bobby pins as well, and it is ready. Next, we're going to take all of the hair, making a low ponytail and then folding it once. After it's ready, adding a rubber band at its end, and then we're going to fold it out into inwards direction and then adding this flower clip, and it's ready. Next, we are going to use our finger for folding this out into a straight bun and adding clip at one side.